So yeah, Krishna, should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir. Let's start.
Okay. Can you give me an example for impure function?
Sir,
Can you give me an example for
example
impure function?
impure function.
Yes. Do you know what is pure function and what is impure function?
No, sir, I haven't heard about it.
Okay, fine. Not an issue. Do you know what is function currying?
Function query, sir.
Function currying.
Function.
Currying. Curry.
I'm unable to understand that words.
So a function with multiple arguments, they are distributed into number of functions with each argument, with single argument. Have you seen such type of functions?
Yes, sir. Arrow function, function expression. Is that, sir?
No. Okay, fine, not an issue. Can you write a code? Write var a equals to 200. On the next line, write a scope.
Next line.
Scope. How do you write a scope? Uh, how do you write? Where do you write function within that scope? So that scope you have to write. Curly brace. No need to write function and all. Write curly brace. Yes. Within that, you have to write a equals to 400, and then you have to write. Go outside the scope. You have to write let b equals to a, and write a scope again on the next line. Write let b equals to minus 400,
B
minus
equals to
minus 400. B equals to minus. Yes, go outside the scope and write console log of b. Tell me what will be the output and why. On the third line, write var a equals to 400. Third
on where, sir?
third line, instead of just a, var a, and let b equals to a, let b equals to minus 400. Okay, fine. Now you can tell me what will be the output and why.
I think 200 only, sir. Output will be.
Okay, can you tell me the reason why?
Yes, sir. There will be two types of scope, sir. Global scope, block scope.
Hmm.
Here, first var a equal to 200, it is global scope, sir.
Okay.
So, if it is not declared in the in here inside this scope, so it can be accessible everywhere. And inside and next var a equal to 400, it will be accessible to this in this scope only.
Okay, in this scope only. So it is a local
So,
scope, you mean to say, var variable.
yes. Actually, I haven't ever tried, sir, like these problems.
Okay, so block scope, block scope, right?
Yes, sir.
So
If we define the variable inside the function, then it is a block scope, sir.
no variable, that's a function scope.
Ah,
Variable which is inside a function, okay,
mm, ah,
that's a
ah.
function scope.
Yes, sir.
Block scope, so within this block we have defined a variable a with var with a value 400,
Yes, sir.
so it won't be accessible outside, you mean to say.
I haven't tried, sir, this
Okay,
like this
okay, you can
problem.
run this.
400.
If you had put let a equals to 400, then you can see what will be the output. I hope you get the difference between where and let. Okay, let is a
Yes.
block scope. Where is not a block scope. Where is a
Okay, sir.
function scope or a global scope.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. You can comment this out. Okay. Do you know what is lexical scope?
No, sir.
Okay, you don't know the lexical scope.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Do you know different array methods you have worked till date?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me those array methods?
Array methods.
Yes.
Push, push, sir. Push method is used to add a new element,
Okay.
and pop method is used to remove the item from the array, and index of method is used to find the index of an item in the array. Last index of is used to find the last index of an last index of an item in the array, and more array
Map
methods.
method.
Map, yeah, sir. Map,
Okay.
reduce,
Reduce,
and
yes.
filter.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Some method and for each method, sir.
Some method for each method. Okay, you told me some method. Can you tell me the difference between some method and every method?
Yes, sir. If for example, if we have given an array, and if we given condition, if that condition, if all elements satisfies that condition, then every element in that array should satisfy that condition, sir. If we given every,
Okay. So
if
if it doesn't
and
satisfies, what it will return?
it returns boolean value, sir.
Yeah, boolean value. Okay, boolean value.
False.
So what will be the
Yes.
boolean value?
Uh, False, sir.
False.
If it is
Yes, yes. Okay. And for some method,
some method, not every element should satisfy that condition, sir.
not every. It's like if suppose if all the elements satisfies the condition in some method, what it will return?
It returns true, sir.
But you told me that if it should not satisfy all the condition.
Means, sir, for every element should satisfy,
Yes,
sir.
the every method, yes,
Yes,
done. For
yes,
some method,
every for some at least one item is satisfied. Also, it returns true,
true.
sir. I
And
mean
if
boolean value.
every element satisfies the condition,
It also returns true,
true.
sir.
Okay. So at least one of the element should satisfy.
Satisfy.
Okay,
Mm,
okay, okay, fine, fine. Can you tell me the difference between deep copy and shallow copy?
sir,
Can you tell me the difference between deep copy and shallow copy?
I don't know, sir. That I
Okay,
haven't
fine,
heard.
fine, fine. Not an issue. Can you tell
Can you
me?
tell me?
Yep.
Can you tell me, sir? Can you
Yeah,
explain?
sure. Like after the interview, I will. You ask me, I will tell you whatever. Like you have the issues.
Okay,
Basically,
sir.
shallow copy and deep copy. What deep copy does, the object values will get copied,
Okay,
whereas
sir.
in shallow copy, the reference will get copied.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. We will discuss after the interview if you have any issues.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can
Oh,
you tell me like there are different types of pop-up boxes are there in JavaScript?
yes, sir.
Do you know?
Yes, sir. By using alert, we can get pop-up box.
Okay, alert pop-up box is one.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me other?
Other, I I know
There are
only
three
this.
kind. You told me alert. That's okay. Okay, fine. Not an issue.
Okay.
So how can you check if array has a has that particular value or not? How can you check it?
If an array has.
Okay, suppose there is a array 1 2 3 4 5. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and we want to check whether the element 5 exists
Okay.
in that array or not.
By using includes method, we can check, sir.
Okay, you can show me an example.
Yeah, sir. Hello.
Yep. Okay, it's done. Okay, okay. You can comment this out. Can you take two strings? Write first string as str1 as Krishna and second string as Veni.
Yes, sir.
And you have to merge the two strings alternatively. Okay, like Krishna, K of Krishna, then V of Veni, then R of Krishna, and then E of Veni.
Once again, repeat, sir.
Okay, you have to merge the two strings alternatively. What you will do is you have to merge in the sense K of Krishna, then V of Veni, then R
Okay.
of Krishna, then E of Veni, and so on.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, and then the whatever the remaining strings are available, it will print as it is.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yep, you can write
Okay.
the function for it.
Hello.
Yeah, is it done?
Yes, sir. But it's
Uh,
showing undefined.
yes. So will you be able to resolve that?
Yes, sir. Wait.
You have to put a condition for the remaining strings as well.
For this length is greater than this. So hello,
Yep. Will you be able to do it?
I'm trying, sir.
Okay.
If it's length,
Okay, so what you can do is, like, see, if first string length is greater, then you have to add that in a merge string. Else, if second string is greater, then will get added in the merge string. I hope you got my point. If not, then we will move ahead.
if it's greater than, I think first I should find which is greater in this.
Yes, you can do that as well.
Yeah, I got it.
Krishna, 2 more minutes. Okay, if you are able to do within 2 minutes, then it's fine. Else we will go ahead.
Yes, sir.
So should we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Not an issue. You can comment this out. Krishna, just tell me like to handle asynchronous operation.
Yes, sir.
Which are the ways through which we can handle those asynchronous operations?
Synchronous operation.
Asynchronous operations.
Asynchronous, sir. Yeah, by using promise, promise object, we can handle
Okay, with the help of
asynchronous
promise object.
promise. Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the callback functions like set timeout, set interval. So they are
Yes.
used for handling.
Yes, sir. No, we can use callback functions also, sir.
Okay. And that's it.
Fe- Yes, sir. There are two ways to handle asynchronous, sir. One is callback function and another is promise object. For this, we use fetch and callback functions. For callback method fetch functions, we use set interval, set timeout. We
Okay, so
use.
these are the only two ways you mean to say we can handle asynchronous operations.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of async await?
Yes, sir. Sorry, I forgot
Yeah.
about async and await. These are the modern ways to consume the promises.
Okay, fine.
Sir.
Tell me which has the higher precedence, set timeout or promises?
Promises, sir. We have
Okay, okay. And which is more efficient to work with, the async await or promises?
async await, sir. Why can I say, sir?
Yeah,
Why? Because,
please.
why? Because await what it up until the process completes, it won't go for the next, sir. After completing that process, then only it moves to the next statement or next function.
Okay, that's the specialty of async await.
Yes, sir.
So promises doesn't work like that. It doesn't wait.
It works like it waits, sir, but uh, it's not much efficient
Okay,
as
okay,
second level.
okay, Krishna. Fine, not an issue.
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me what shift and unshift method do?
Yes, sir. Those are also array methods only, unshift and shifted. For adding an element at the for adding two or more elements at the beginning, we use unshift method. In order to remove the item, we use a shift method, sir.
Remove the item.
Yes.
Okay, if we want to remove the item from the last, we use shift method
At the beginning,
at
sir.
the beginning. Okay. And if we want to remove the element from the last position, then
We use
pop
pop,
method.
sir. Pop method, yeah.
And if we want to add the element at the last position, then
We use push, sir.
okay,
Push method.
okay, fine. Okay, why we use find method?
Find method. Uh, 1 minute, sir.
Okay,
Hmm, Find method.
mhm,
I'm unable to recall, sir.
okay, fine, not an issue. If unable to recall, then that's fine. Okay, okay. Can you write an array? Zoom a little screen. Write an array 300 with elements 300, 8, 900, 400, 6. Okay, and you have to sort the elements in ascending order.
Ascending order, sir.
Yes, like 6, 8, 400. Sorry,
Hmm.
6, 8, 300,
300,
400, 400, and 900.
100.
Okay, this will sort the don't run this. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, fine. Now you have run this and you have checked it out. You can
yes,
see it doesn't sorts in ascending order.
yes, sir.
So will you be able to modify or maybe do some changes so that it can bring into ascending order?
Yes, sir, I will do.
Yep. You can zoom a little. Yep, that's fine. Yeah, Krishna, it's fine. You can comment this out. Okay. Can you tell me where you can use use strict?
Sir,
Use strict. Have you used it?
once again, can you repeat, sir?
Yeah, use USC space
Mm,
strict.
no, sir, I haven't used.
Okay. Okay, fine. Can you write firstly zoom a little? Yep, not that much. Yep, that's better. Write a equals to 100 and console log of a. Yes. What will be the output?
Mm, Here we are not defined, not in to where. So I think undefined, sir.
Undefined. Why?
Here we are not giving let here we are not giving let or where or const. I don't
Okay. Okay. You can run this.
know.
Okay. It will go into Windows scope.
Okay.
See, this is a bad way of writing code. Okay. A equals to 100. That's a bad way of writing. So to avoid
Okay.
this, bad way of writing, what we can use to avoid such issues. Okay, fine, not an issue. That's why we use strict basically to avoid
Okay.
such. Okay. Okay, tell me the different data types available in JS.
Data types, sir.
Yes.
Number,
Yep.
number, boolean, string,
Hmm.
undefined.
What's the difference between null and undefined?
Yes, sir. Undefined means we are declaring a value. I mean, we are 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, you can just if
Can
you
I give an example, sir?
yeah.
This is an example for undefined, sir.
Okay.
This is the example for null. Here we are undefined. When we will get undefined means if a variable is declared without assigning a value, then we will get undefined, sir.
Undefined. Okay.
Undefined. Uh, if we give a value as a null to the variable, then we will get uh, output as null, sir.
Okay. So undefined is who gives you that undefined. Like who decides? Null we define it, right? We as a developer
Yes,
assign.
sir.
Undefined who does it?
Yes, sir.
Who gives that value to that variable? You have explained it mostly. You have explained most of the things, but who defines that
Yes, sir.
undefined?
I think browser, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Tell me what is promise chaining?
Promise chain.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Uh, if we give multiple, then we will be
Multiple then.
using catch, sir. If uh, the promise is resolved means then will be executed, sir. If it is rejected, when the reject function is called means the catch function will be executed. If we give multiple then and catch means it is a promise chain, sir.
Okay. So the output of one promise. There are
Uh,
in promise chaining, as you said, there is a series of promises, right?
yes, sir.
So the
Yes.
output of one promise, it
Mm.
will move where
Sir.
the first promise is there. Okay. There will be output of
Okay, sir.
some that promise.
Okay, sir.
It will move where it will move. The first promise output.
I'm not getting, sir.
Where it will be passed. The promise first output of the output of first promise where it will be passed to the
We
next
will be
promise.
create. Yes, sir. We will be creating object, no, sir. Um,
Okay, okay, fine, fine, not an
Sir,
issue.
we will be creating by using async and await, sir. Means one new object will be created.
Hmm.
When resolve function is called, that output will be passed to this object which
Which
we have
object?
created by using await.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Can you tell me about the event loop in JavaScript?
Events, sir.
Event loop.
Loop.
Yes,
Event loop.
yes. All the processing execution of JS is decided by event loop.
There will be three ways, no, sir.
Which are those three ways?
One is by giving in the HTML itself by using by giving on click function.
No,
Is it
I'm not
that only,
talking
sir?
about. I'm not talking about that. Do you know about the callback queue or call stack? Do you know about these things?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay. Okay, fine. Not an issue. Do you know what is a freeze method? Object dot freeze method.
Freeze method.
Yes.
No, sir, I haven't
Okay,
heard
fine.
it.
Fine. Not an issue. Do you know about the data type of NN? What will be the type of NN?
I think NAN only, sir.
NN. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. You can write it console log of type of NN and you will get to know. You can comment the above statements.
Number.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah, it is a random number, right?
Yep. Okay. Okay. Write if else condition.
Okay, sir.
Write if condition and if else. Also write else condition. Just write else and blocks code. Okay. So in if condition, you will put a condition as a blank array. Yes, you have to write blank array. No, you shouldn't be assigning anything. Just write blank
Okay,
array.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You have to write blank array. Not you don't have to assign a name. ERR. Yes. Write console log. Just zoom a little. Yes. Write console log. My name is Krishna. Okay. And in else condition, you have to write console log. My name is. I'm not Krishna. Okay. And tell me what will be the output and why.
It is empty array. So I think mine. I am not Krishna, sir.
I'm not Krishna. So you
Yeah.
mean to say the blank array is a falsy value?
Yes, sir.
Okay, run this. Okay. So what do you think? Blank array is a falsy value?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now you can comment this out. Write a console log. Next line. Console log. Blank array double equals to. Write false. Just zoom a little. Yep. Now tell me what will be the output. You think it will be a false.
Yes.
Okay, run this.
Sir, wait 1 minute, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Do you know when there is two diff
Hello.
yeah, is it all done, Krishna?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, you can close that meet.google.com.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, zoom a little. Yep, that's fine. Yep. Okay. Okay. Before answering this, okay, when there are
Okay.
two values of two different data types, okay, and we are
Mm.
comparing with double
Mm.
equal to, so what it generally does, JavaScript.
This is loose equals to, sir. This is said to be.
Okay.
Um, it will compare the value, but not the data type.
Compare
If
the value and
both,
not the data type. But how they will compare if they are of different data types, right? So what they will
sir,
do?
can you repeat?
So I'm saying double equal to compares, right?
Yes, sir.
So how will they compare if they are of different data types? Have you given a thought on
Do,
this?
no, sir.
Okay. You think this will be a false or this will be a true? You have to tell me the reason as well, okay? If you are
Okay,
telling
sir.
me the, so what it will be?
Compares the value, but not the data type. I think it's false, sir.
False. Run this.
It's true.
What do you think? What has happened?
From previous example,
That's a
and
truthy
if we
value.
give,
That's a truthy
yeah,
value.
yes, sir. So,
See, if
uh,
blank array is converted into a number, what it will be?
if it is converted into a number, it's false, sir.
No, no, blank array will converted in. It is empty, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will be converted into empty string, and then it will convert it into zero, as they are compare. Because why I'm saying is double equal to, when they are of different data types, they have to bring it into a same data type. False will convert it into zero, and blank array will convert it into empty string, and empty string will convert it into zero, and zero double equals to zero
Okay.
will be zero double equals to zero will be what?
Zero
Double equals to zero.
equals to zero. It is true, sir.
True. So I hope you
Yes.
got the answer. Why it appears. Okay, fine. You can comment this out. Okay. Okay, Krishna. We will move to HTML. Okay.
Okay,
Can you tell me the difference between figure tag and image tag?
sir.
Figure tag and image tag. Tell me the difference between them.
Image tag, it is a void element, sir. It
Hmm.
consists if you want to give an element. Sorry,
Image
if you
tag is
want to add
a
an
image tag is a void
element.
element.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, I was just asking you.
Yes, yes, sir. That's void element only. There will be no ending tag for that. I
And
mean,
what's the difference between void and empty elements?
void and
Empty elements. You know what is empty elements?
no, sir.
Okay, fine, not an issue. You can continue with the differences.
Okay, so image tag. If you want to give an image, if you want to add an image on our website or web page, we use image. Both are used for image only, sir. To figure and image.
Do you know the exact
Uh,
difference?
Actually, I used image tag, image only, element only, sir. I haven't used figure.
Okay, fine. Suppose if you want to organize the content of, like, suppose videos, if you want to organize the content of videos, What you will use?
Okay. I will use list, sir.
List. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between inline level and block level element?
Yes, sir. Inline element will occupy the space how much it is required. Block level element will occupy the entire space, sir. And
Okay. Entire space.
yes,
Okay.
like paragraph heading, it will
Okay.
occupy the entire space.
Okay. Can you tell me the different types of list available in HTML? So can you tell me those types of list?
Ordered list, unordered list, and another one is I am unable to recall, sir, another one.
Okay. Ordered,
There will be
unordered.
ordered list, ordered list.
Okay.
And,
These are the only two lists. Have you heard of DL?
sir,
Have you heard of DL? DD?
DL.
Yes.
DL is in tables,
Mm.
I think.
Have you heard of description
D.
list? Description list.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Not an issue. Not an issue.
Yeah.
Uh, can you tell me what is data list tag?
Data.
Data list tag.
Sir, once again, can you repeat?
What is data list?
Data list.
Yeah, there is a tag name as data list in HTML. So can you tell me about that?
LI data, sir.
Have you worked with data list tag?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Not an issue. Can you tell me the difference between bold and strong tag?
Yes, sir. Bold and strong both are same, sir. Both gives the same output, but the major difference is if you give bold, the text will be thicker, and and it will be a normal, like normal text only, but
For
it will
strong,
be
it won't be a
thicker.
thicker
For strong also it will be thicker, sir, but the browser will understand that it is a stronger, I mean it is an important content
content.
or
Okay,
important text.
okay, fine,
uh,
fine, fine. Got it. Can you tell me the difference between EM tag and I tag?
Sir,
EM tag and I tag.
em em and
EM and I tag. Difference.
I.
Emphasis. Have you heard of EM tag?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Fine. Uh, what is Marque tag?
What is
Marque tag
marquee tag? For scrolling,
okay.
if you want to move the content
From left to right.
to the right, we use the
That's
tags.
it. We can only move from left to right.
I know only that.
Okay, we can't move like up, down.
Yeah, we can move, sir.
Okay, okay. Like okay, we can move, but what we can move? We can move only text, or we can move only images, or we can move both.
We can move both, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, what is the use of required attribute in HTML?
Required.
Yes,
I think it is mandatory to
mandatory to
give the input.
give the input. Okay,
Yes.
okay. If we don't put that input, then what it happens?
Uh, it gives an, I mean, generally what I know means if you don't give uh, required means,
You must
sir,
have
can
heard,
I?
you must have filled the form and then
Yes,
there
sir. While filling the form, we will get the required. Means it is mandatory to fill, sir.
Okay,
That's
okay, okay, fine. How can we create, okay, a multicolored text in a web page?
multicolor text
Yes, yes.
by using linear gradient and think that
Why we use alt attribute?
alt attribute. If the image is not displayed, then it gives the text, I mean information or description about that image, sir.
Okay,
If the image is not displayed.
okay, okay, fine. Okay, do you know the difference? Okay, fine, not an issue.
uh,
We will move to CSS.
okay.
Can you tell me about these pseudo classes in CSS?
Pseudo class, sir. uh, for hover, we will be using pseudo class, sir.
Can you tell me about the keyframes? Have you used keyframes?
Keyframes, this but I have ideas. I haven't used, but I have idea. For animations we will be using keyframes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
You haven't used. Okay, fine then. What do you mean by universal selectors?
If you want to add, I mean if you want to style all html elements in that web page or web page, we will be using universal selector, sir. It will represented with the star symbol.
Asterisk. Okay. Have you worked with any of the CSS frameworks?
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap. Okay. Okay, fine. There are types of CSS.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me those types?
There are three types of css:
Yes.
inline css, internal css, and external css.
Okay. Who has the higher
In
priority?
inline css has higher priorities.
Okay. And as a developer, which you prefer to write?
External css.
External CSS. Okay.
External.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Krishna. That's it for the interview. Any queries, any
Okay.
concerns, you can ask me.